Hey everyone! Quick question. Have you ever watched a movie and thought, wow, I wish I could understand every word in English?
Oh, yes. I've been there so many times. You watch a movie and it's like, wait, what did they just say?
Exactly. But guess what? Watching movies can actually help you learn English naturally and even have fun at the same time.
Totally. And today we're going to show you exactly how to do that.
Welcome back to the Podcast English channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex.
In today's episode, we'll talk about how you can improve your English by watching movies without feeling bored or frustrated.
Yep, we'll share tips, real-life examples, and ways to remember new words. By the end of this episode, you'll feel motivated to watch your favorite movies and learn English at the same time.
And don't worry, even if you're a beginner, you can start today. We'll keep it simple, fun, and natural.
Before we start, make sure to hit that follow button, subscribe to our podcast, and share it with your friends who want to learn English too.
Yes, the more friends you have learning with you, the more fun it becomes. Okay, Alex, let's start with the first tip.
Sure. Tip number 1, choose movies that match your English level.
Exactly. If you're a beginner, don't start with a fast-paced action movie with complicated dialogues. Maybe start with cartoons or movies for kids.
Yes, cartoons are amazing for beginners. The language is clear, simple, and easy to understand.
Also, you'll hear words and phrases that people actually use every day. That's a big help.
Tip number 2, use subtitles wisely.
Yes, if you're a beginner, you can start with English subtitles. Don't just read them, try to listen first, then check the subtitles to see if you understood.
And for intermediate learners, you can try watching without subtitles sometimes, and then write down new words or phrases you hear.
That's right. Writing helps your brain remember better.
Tip number 3, repeat and imitate.
Yes, pick a short sentence from the movie and say it out loud, exactly how the actor said it.
It's like acting, and it's really fun. Plus, your pronunciation will improve naturally.
Another tip, focus on useful words and phrases.
For example, if you watch a restaurant scene, learn words like menu, order, waiter, bill, and simple phrases like, can I have?
Exactly. Those are words you can actually use in real life.
Tip number 5, watch movies multiple times.
Yes, repetition is the key. First, watch just for fun. Then, watch again and focus on understanding words and phrases.
And the third time, try repeating sentences with the actors.
It might feel slow at first, but your English will improve without feeling like studying.
Also, don't worry if you don't understand everything. It's normal. Even advanced learners can't understand 100% at first.
Absolutely. The important thing is to keep learning step by step. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine started watching Friends every night for 30 minutes.
Oh yes, I love Friends.
After 3 months, she could understand everyday conversations much better. She even started using some phrases with her friends, naturally.
That's amazing. And it shows that learning English doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun if you watch movies.
Exactly. And you can even watch movies you already know in your own language. That way, you can focus on the English words and phrases instead of trying to understand the story.
Oh yes, that's a great tip. Emily, another really fun tip is pause and discuss.
Yes, when you watch a scene, pause it and try to repeat the dialogue or describe what's happening in your own words.
Exactly. For example, if you watch a scene where someone is cooking, you can say, "The chef is chopping vegetables. He is adding salt to the soup."
And it doesn't have to be perfect. The key is to speak and think in English while watching.
Another thing I love is learning slang and expressions from movies.
Oh, yes, movies are full of natural English, not always what you find in textbooks.
For example, in Friends, you hear phrases like, "What's up?" or "I'm gonna," instead of formal textbook English.
Exactly, and you can use these phrases with your friends in real life. It makes your English sound natural and friendly.
Here's another tip. Watch with a notebook or phone handy.
Yes, when you hear a new word or phrase, write it down. Even just 1 to 2 new words per scene is enough.
And later, you can make small sentences with them. For example, if you hear "hang out," you can say, "I want to hang out with my friends today."
Perfect. That's how new words go from the movie to your real life.
Emily, what about listening practice?
Yes. Try listening without subtitles for 1 to 2 minutes.
Even if you understand only a few words, it's fine. Your brain is training to recognize sounds, rhythm, and intonation of English.
And then check subtitles to see what you missed. It's like a mini English detective game.
Another great tip is watch scenes repeatedly.
Yes, choose a short scene, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, and watch it 3 to 5 times.
The first time, just enjoy the movie. The second time, focus on listening. The third time, repeat sentences out loud.
And the fourth time, you can try speaking along with the actors. It's fun and very effective.
Emily, I have a question for beginners. What if I feel tired or frustrated? I can't understand everything.
Oh, that's normal. Learning English takes time. The important thing is to enjoy the process.
Yes, even if you understand only 50% of the words, your brain is learning new sounds, phrases, and expressions.
Exactly. Think of it like a gym for your brain. Every movie is a workout for English.
Emily, another idea I love is watch with a friend.
Oh, yes, you can discuss the movie in English after the scene. Even small sentences work. Like, "I like this part." "I don't understand that word."
And it's fun, and you learn faster because you speak in English.
And don't forget, mix genres.
Yes, watch cartoons, dramas, comedies, and even documentaries. Each type teaches different vocabulary and phrases.
For example, cartoons give simple, everyday English, dramas give emotional expressions, and documentaries give descriptive words.
And slowly, your listening and speaking skills improve naturally.
And one last tip for today. Don't rush.
Yes, take your time. Watching 10 to 20 minutes every day is better than trying to watch a whole movie in one go and feeling tired.
And remember, learning English through movies is fun and natural, not a race.
Emily, here's another fun idea. Learn English by focusing on one character.
Oh, I love that. Can you explain?
Sure. Pick one character you like and try to understand how they speak. What words do they use? What tone or expressions do they have?
I see. So, if you like a funny character, you'll learn funny phrases. If you like a serious character, you'll hear more formal English.
Exactly. And you can even try speaking like that character. It's fun and it helps your pronunciation and confidence.
Another tip: pause and shadow.
Shadow? What's that?
It means you repeat the words immediately after the actor, like a shadow. For example, if someone says, "I can't believe this," you say it right after them, copying the tone and rhythm.
Ah, yes. That's amazing for speaking naturally. It helps with rhythm, intonation, and even speed.
Exactly. And you can do it with just 30 seconds of a scene every day. It adds up quickly.
Emily, I think another fun tip is writing mini dialogues from the movie.
Yes, pick a short conversation and write it down in English. Then try to practice it out loud.
For example, a scene in a coffee shop. Hi, can I get a latte?
Sure, would you like it hot or iced? And after practicing, you can use it in real life. That's learning English naturally. You learn from real conversations.
Here's a question. What about difficult words we don't know?
Good question. Don't try to understand every word. Focus on key words that help you understand the meaning of the scene.
Yes, for example, if you hear, I'm feeling under the weather, you might not know every word, but you understand it means I feel sick.
Exactly. That's how English learners start thinking in English. You understand the meaning first, words second.
Another tip, combine watching with other learning tools.
Yes. For example, you can watch the scene, write new words, then use an app or flashcards to remember them.
Or you can record yourself repeating lines and listen later. This helps your speaking and listening at the same time.
And don't forget to review old movies. Watching the same movie months later is like a review. You'll notice how much you understand now compared to before.
Emily, I love this tip too. Set small goals.
Yes, like today I will understand one conversation completely, or I will learn 3 new phrases from this scene.
Small goals make learning less stressful and more enjoyable.
Exactly. And when you reach your goal, give yourself a little reward, like watching your favorite movie, snack in hand.
Emily, what about practicing listening for emotions?
Oh, yes, emotions are everywhere in movies: happiness, anger, surprise.
Try to notice how the actor says it. For example, the word really sounds different if someone is surprised versus suspicious.
Yes, this helps you understand not just words, but feelings, which is super important in real English conversations.
One last tip for today. Make it fun.
Yes, laugh, act, sing along, whatever makes it enjoyable.
Because when learning is fun, your brain remembers words and phrases faster.
Exactly. Movies are a tool for fun and learning, not stress.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard or boring. Every movie you watch, every sentence you repeat, and every word you learn brings you closer to speaking English naturally and confidently.
Yes, the key is consistency and enjoyment. Make learning fun, and your English will improve without stress. Keep watching, keep practicing, and never give up. Your progress is happening even when you don't see it.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired to watch movies and learn English naturally.
Start today, even with just 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, small steps every day create big results over time.
Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast, share this episode with friends, and follow us for more tips to improve your English naturally and joyfully.
Bye, everyone. Keep watching movies and keep learning English.